Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best fish finders that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Garmin Striker 4 with portable kit. This is a simple portable fish finder with a keyed interface and smart dedicated buttons. It is a simple device to buy with confidence. This device is also easy to install and available in different display sizes. Moreover, the fish finder features waypoint maps that allow for easy viewing and marking of locations. It is a versatile fish finder for easy navigation in waters with stumps, piles, and docks. There is further chirp sonar that sends continuous frequencies for wide area coverage. Moving on at number 4, we have Deeper Pro Plus Fish Finders. This is a portable and wireless fish finder that connects to a Y-Fish app on your phone. It is a perfect choice finder for avid anglers that enjoy shore fishing. The finder will enable you to find hot spots and fish fast. It is a clear fish finder that lets you see the fish location, size, and depth. Besides, the finder will give a clear image of the underwater structure, bottom contour, and vegetation. All this information is crucial in a successful fishing adventure. The finder can scan up to 260 feet area and allow casting up to 330 feet. Overall, this is a quality fish finder to consider buying with confidence right away. At number 3, we have Lowrance Best Fish Finder. This HOOK2 is another easy-to-use fish finder with a skimmer transducer. It is an advanced finder with an auto-tuning sonar. The finder is easy to use and operate due to a simple phone-like screen menu. This way, anglers get to spend less time tuning the settings and more time fishing. You can be sure of covering a large area due to wide sonar coverage. Overall, this fish finder is quite easy to set up. You can mount it on the transom or on the trolling motor. At number 2, we have Mooker Portable Fish Finder. This is a professional design fish finder and an excellent choice. It is a premium quality fish finder that comes in 2 parts. There is the HD LCD monitor which stays on the boat and an underwater camera. This is a multi-functional fish finder with a waterproof monitor. The monitor also features an LED backlight for easy viewing. You can clearly see the screen under the sun. In addition, the monitor also features a low battery indicator and a power-saving mode. Besides, this finder features a superior underwater camera with infrared LED lights for better clarity. You also get a long and strong cable wire measuring 15 m. This allows you to view clearly underwater. And finally at number 1, Garmin Fish Finder with Transducer. This is another top-quality fish finder with high-frequency sonar to give clear photographic images. You can clearly see what is underwater. This includes the fish, structures, and objects underwater. Moreover, the fish finder comes with an intuitive user interface with dedicated buttons. It is a pretty simple design fish finder and one that is also easy to use. The finder also features a waypoint map allowing you to navigate various locations under the water. You can easily hit maximum depths of 1600 feet under freshwater and 750 feet under saltwater. In addition, there is a sonar chirp that sends continuous frequencies for wider information. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.